Robb Elementary, the site of the school shooting that left 19 children and 2 teachers dead in May, will be torn down, according to Mayor Don McLaughlin in Uvalde, Texas. McLaughlin, who spoke at a city council meeting on Tuesday, wasn't clear on when the demolition would happen, but the confirmation came following a conversation he said he had with the school district's superintendent, Hal Harrell, CBS News reported. A number of sites of school shootings, including Columbine High School in Littleton, Colorado, in 1999 and Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida, in 2018, remained mostly intact following massacres on their campuses. Columbine High's library was torn down and rebuilt as the Hope Library, according to CNN, and Marjory Stoneman Douglas High replaced a building at the school. The replaced buildings had been the sites where most of the deaths occurred, CNN reported. Sandy Hook Elementary opted to tear down its entire school after 20 students and 6 adults were fatally shot in 2012. The school reopened 4 years later. Texas State Senator Roland Gutierrez, D. San Antonio, said last month that President Joe Biden was looking into providing a federal grant to raise Robb Elementary. Every parent that I've talked to doesn't want to see this school again, is traumatized, Gutierrez said. Every little kid that I've talked to is scared to even go near the school.